Hello, in today's video I'll be talking about slurring on the trombone. Slurring in music is when we have differing notes that are connected with a curved line, which indicates that those notes should be played connected and smoothly. The musical term is legato. So when we're playing a phrase or notes legato, we want the notes to be connected and we want it to be smooth. In order to slur on other instruments like valve instruments or instruments like the clarinet or the flute, the player must move their fingers, changing the notes and connect the notes with their air. On the trombone, it's a little bit different. How to slur on the trombone? What we need to do is we need to find what are called natural slurs. In essence, these are points where we can switch between different notes without using the tongue. So if I were to play this phrase from a theme from Star Wars, you can hear that there are many points where I can change the notes without using the tongue. So I'll play it first with the tonguing, and then I'll play it again without the tonguing, so you can hear where these points are. Okay, now I'll do the same thing, but without the tongue. So you can hear the points where I can switch between notes without using the tongue and where I need to add the tongues in. Okay, so there are points here where I don't need to use a tongue, and there are points where I do need to use a tongue. Okay, so if I'm moving between the A and the D, let's listen to it. I don't need to use a tongue, so that's a natural slur. From the D to the E, again, I was able to switch notes without using the tongue, so that's another natural slur. Moving from E to F. Oh, I'm not able to switch notes here without using the tongue because I get a slide instead, which means I need to use my tongue. When we're playing legato or smoothly on the trombone, we want to use a da or a do tongue. This is smoother than using a ta or a tu, and it's just going to make our phrase just a little bit more connected. So in order to play this, I need to add that tongue between the E and the F. Okay, so in essence, that's how we do slurring on the trombone. I encourage you to practice this, take a look at your music, find the points where you do and don't need to use a tongue. If the phrase is connected with slurs, then you don't need to use the tongue wherever we have natural slurs. I hope this helps. Take care.